Now, turning to the crypto space, Bitcoin off to a promising start this year as it seems to be shaking off the negativity from 2022. Bitcoin maintaining its winning streak, approaching its longest span of gains in nearly a decade. That's going back to almost a decade. That's going almost back to the beginning, and that's according to Bloomberg. And just looking at the Wi-Fi Interactive now, I've been saying the 20,000 level is key to hold. You can see we are at 21,000, Brad, and about a half. And let me just pull up a three-year chart so we can see the big picture here. And I'm looking at this downtrend line. Well, that was terrible. But it has broken out from that, and it has broken above that 20,000 high. You can't see it on this chart here, but it was the high in about 2017. There we go, on an intra-month basis. So technical is kind of perking up here a little bit.
Yeah, and even as we minimize that Bitcoin chart and take a look at some of the other cryptos that are kind of moving in lockstep, or at least in concert, take a look at Ether here, because that is up by about 33% year to date. And of course, we are early in 2023. A lot of things could happen. There's been this crypto ice age, as some of our guests have called it, but I think many people would nod to the crypto washout, or at least the winter that we find ourselves in, where there's been a lot of need to really prove the project at the end of the day. And so with the wipeout in some sentiment that's taken place, whether that be on the algorithmic stablecoin debacles that had happened midway through last year, and then even further as you had the FTX wipeout here as well, and that continuing to really rattle some of the sentiment late in 2022 and then even into the early moments of 2023. Now with this most recent run, it's a question of, has that sentiment started to improve? And if so, among who? Is it the everyday buyer, or is it some of the whales that are perhaps sensing opportunity out there?
I got to tell you, Brad, I think there's only one whale that matters right now, and that is Binance. If Binance stays afloat, and I have no specific knowledge why they should not, I think we have the bottom in Bitcoin. But if we have a fallout there, there are going to be more dominoes to fall.